Welcome to Bio 100 Medical Terminology. This video is designed to give you just a brief overview of how the course is set up in D2L, where you can access various parts of the course, how you can find your assignments, announcements, grades, everything like that. So this is the course homepage, and this is where you'll see announcements that I will post for you. Typically, there will be a weekly announcement letting you know the upcoming assignments for the week, and they'll be located right here on the homepage. If you go to the content area of the course, this is where you will find the majority of the course information. So the very first thing here is an overview of the course, which just describes what you'll be learning in the course. Then the main section that you want to review first, for sure, is the Start Here section, and you should work your way through this. This gives you an introduction to the course. I'm not going to go through every single page here because I'm hoping that you'll do that on your own. But in the introduction section, you'll see an overview of the course with all the learning objectives, the orientation video, which is this, and an explanation for how to navigate your way through the course, where you should go first, what you should do to access various course materials, and then instructor information, where you can find information about me and how to contact me. Expectations for the course. So in terms of submitting assignments and communication, it's all right here. Your course materials are listed right here. I will open up this page just so you can see that this is where I have listed the textbook, and you see a picture of it right here just to make sure you get the right thing, and some of the other requirements for the course. There's a link right here to the bookstore in case you need to purchase the book. So I'll go back to the Start Here section, which is where we were, and we had just gone over course materials. Here's a link to the syllabus for the course, which lists all of the course objectives, all the learning objectives that we will meet by the end of the semester. And here's where we have a really important section. This is your schedule. So this tells you for every week of the course what learning activities you should be engaging in, like what chapters you should be reading, and also what assignments are due for the week. Please stay on top of this. Please print out a copy of the schedule and make sure that you're turning in the assignments the day that they are due. This is the Bio 100 course policy information. This explains policies regarding grading of assignments, the grade breakdown, what you can expect for tests, assignments, homework, etc. And then there's an acknowledgement form that this is actually an assignment. After you read the course policy handout, you're going to be asked to submit your name, which acknowledges that you have reviewed the course policies and you understand them. Down here is a communication plan, just explaining how you can communicate with me and my expectations for you and the way that we will communicate with each other. Technology resources, you can find information regarding D2L and various technical supports that Delaware Tech offers right here. And here's a link to an online medical dictionary, which can be helpful for looking up medical terms. So that is the Start Here section. I'm going to go through week 1 of the course, really just to show you like how you should work your way through the weeks. So definitely with every week, you should start with the overview, because this is going to give you a list of what chapters are being covered, the learning objectives that we'll meet for the week, the learning activities that you'll be engaging in, so reading chapters, looking at PowerPoint presentations, and then also the assignments that are due. So I've put a list of the weekly assignments in several different places. So hopefully you won't miss it. You have your course schedule, which lists all of them. Then within every week, you'll have a list right here of the weekly assignments that are due. Plus, they will also be listed, if you scroll down, There will be a box for assignments in every single week. There will be links to the assignments within that box. So it should be pretty clear which assignments are due in each week and exactly when they are due. So probably one of the most important things that you'll have within every weekly module is a chapter outline. And this serves as really your study guide for preparing for the tests, the unit tests. So what you should definitely do every week is open up the outline. This is taking a little while, but here we go. Here's what a typical outline will look at. So they are designed for every chapter, and just like it says, it's an outline of the main information within that chapter. So you should print this out or just save it onto your computer, and then you can listen to the lecture videos that are in every week, and along with the PowerPoint, use those two things in combination. Oh, and plus the textbook, obviously. So it's expected that you're reading the chapters within the textbook. This is your study outline for chapter 1. So you should read chapter 1 and then use like I said, the videos and the PowerPoints to allow you to fill this in. It's very straightforward. The information from the textbook directly corresponds to what you'll see in these outlines. Plus, if you listen to the lectures, they will help you fill in any blank areas that you have in here. So please do that for every single week, and then save these outlines and use these to study for the unit tests.